Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, we're going to do some July favorites. So that is what we're going to be talking about today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday. So yup, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okie dokies, not too much this month. If you don't know, I did leave a post. I did have an accident mid-July when I was on vacation, so I fractured my back. I'm still healing. I'm only 2 weeks in. Well, I don't know when this video is going to go up, but as of this moment, as I'm sitting, I am only 2 weeks in, and my orthopedist said at least 4 to 6 weeks. It's been a struggle. So anyway, not much for this month of July, but you know, some of these staples have been really nice. Let me just start off with this deliciousness. This is the Tier Milk Skin Toner. It is so friggin' good. Now, you know, I'm really particular when it comes to like my skincare. I've been using the same skincare for about 2 years now, I guess. Yeah, about 2 years, give or take. Maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. And it works. It just works. I mean, I'm 56 years old. I know I have makeup on, but this is my skin. The lights kind of stink, but whatever. But I don't like to deviate because I get nervous with skincare, but this is so good. I can't remember the last time I used a skin toner, let alone like consistently. Obviously, I've been using it. I love it. I used to just use it like every night, but I have been incorporating daytime and nighttime, and I really enjoy it. I so enjoy it. I did pick up a couple of other Tier skincare products. I haven't been using it. Obviously, I've been incapacitated, but I've been really enjoying this glass bottle, by the way. So great. So this is not new, but I can't help it. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Glow Bronzing Serum. I have been loving it and have been using it every single day. I want to say this is probably in my June favorites, but I can't help it. I really love it. I usually put this in my skin moisturizer. I know you could put it in like your I'm leaning, girl. I'm leaning because I still have my brace on, obviously, and I'm sitting on a lumbar pillow, but I'm going to be leaning a little bit. But anyway, you can put this in your sunscreen. You could put this in your moisturizer and your foundation, but I have been loving it and using it in my daily moisturizer. It's so good. I love this. I love. I know I talked about it before, but can't help it. I really enjoy it. I will tell you, this was a big surprise. This is the Say Concealer. This is the Say... God, is that small? The Say Slip Tint Concealer Corrector. I have this one in 5. Someone gifted this to me because I was like, 5, I would never wear 5. It is so beautiful. Let me just swatch it for you. It's so stinking creamy. I'm usually like, and I know it's a bad habit, I'm going to stop that, but I'm usually like a, that's where it is, right over here. It's so nice. I'm usually like a fair light kind of wear, and also in like a pink tone. Like I like that brightening effect, but girl, sometimes, I'll admit it, sometimes like what you're trying to hide, it'll accentuate it if it's too stinking bright. I'm 56 years old, you know, people put boom pad, lines, puffiness. I don't really have that much like dark circles, if you will. I want to look like, girl, did you sleep like 5,000 hours? I said, no, just 2. But I look good, right? That's why I really thought I would gear to brighter ones, but sometimes it backfires on you. This is beautiful. It's creamy. It's delicious. It's dark enough. It's not like that like stark brightness that you kind of look kind of ashy almost. It is what I have on today. It's so freaking, hold up, hold. Yeah, it is so stinking pretty. I really have been enjoying this so much. I wasn't a fan. I was not a fan. This is the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Bronzing and Shaping Serum. I really wasn't crazy about it. I do have mine in medium because I did go to Sephora with a girlfriend of mine, and I was like, I don't know. Some people say like this doesn't have enough pigmentation. Some people love it. Some people don't. I love the ingenuity of it. You could use the doe foot, of course, or you could use the pump. I'm going to just pump it out for you. And that's why I got the medium. When we were swatching it, the light medium was like, So this is the medium. I will tell you, that is beautiful. But, I'm going to just wipe this off. But I will tell you that it's, for me personally, I just took like just my sponge that I was just sitting here. it shears down to almost nothing-ish, but I will tell you, I almost like on accident, I used the doe foot just to contour the nose a little bit as I was doing that. I'm like, oh no. And here it is. Here's the trick. This is what I got out of it. If you let it sit for a minute, not even, if you let it sit for like 30 seconds, like I was chit-chatting doing other things, it's beautiful. It's got more than enough pigmentation. Do I have it on today? No. But that's the trick that I got. Let it just sit for like 30 seconds, not even a minute. That was an exaggeration. But just like a couple of seconds, and then you go in. And like I said, I've used both sides. It is so, so good. I changed my mind. I changed my mind. So, so nice. You know how much I've been loving these. Ooh, that hurts. Ooh, I love these. These are the Morphe Euphoric Rush 3-in-1 Silk Blushes. They are so beautiful. I have mine in Hypnotize. I did a video with my recent cream and liquid blushes. I'll leave it in the cards over here, and I'll also leave it below. I went back, girl, and I picked up this color. This one is in Pleasured. I have it on my face today. It could be too much. I was doing a few videos. I'm trying to catch up, but this is so pretty, isn't it? So this is what I have on. It's gorgeous. Both, I mean, can you see that? It is so freaking, wow. Take my breath away, so pretty. It is so beautiful. Look at that, how gorgeous. Can't let him feel bad. Let me just swatch it. This one as well. Look, can you see how creamy that is? It is so beautiful. Look at that. They are so, so pretty. So I have been absolutely loving, loving these this month. I'm going to put a picture right over here because I can't freaking find it because after I unpacked, like painfully unpacked, I don't know where I put it, but it is the Saint Tropez. It's the tanning mist. It's a face mist. It's for your face and your neck, girl. I put it all over. It's so, so good. And, you know, it doesn't have like that tanning kind of scent to it. It smells so beautiful, and it's legit a beautiful mist. I'm like, this is not going to work. I mean, what kind of not, girl? Within 4 to 8 hours, you have this beautiful, delicious, fabulous, natural tan. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I don't like to tan my face because, like, my sunspots and all my hyperpigmentation, every time I self tan, and I said, let me just put a little bit on my, man, that hyperpigmentation comes out so, so bad. But not with this mist. It looks so good. I have to find it now. I have to. I have to. I don't remember where the hell I put it, but I have to find it. And then last but not least, girl, don't kill me. I had no idea that this product has been discontinued. Now, you know, like how people like put out their clothes the day before they go to work or the day before they go to school, girl. I pull out palettes because I like to use my eyeshadow palettes for like a week, 2 weeks, something like that. So I did not know, but I pulled out the BK Beauty. This is the True Beauty eyeshadow palette. And I went to go look at it because I used it in a video, and I went to go link it, and they discontinued it. I guess they're just gearing on their brushes. But look how gorgeous this palette is. I feel so stinking bad because this is what I used for the month of July. I even took it with me on vacation that I didn't use because second day and I fell, and that was the end of vacation. I had to fly right back home. But it's a bummer. I did reach out to Lisa J. I'm like, hey, I'm trying to link your, and they don't, but it is so beautiful. But anyway, I did not know that they discontinued it. But anyway, short and sweet, not a lot this month. I've been flat on my back. So yeah, these products right here have been my absolute favorites for the month of July, short and sweet. And yeah, so that is it, guys. Thank you so, so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great, great day. Bye.